QuickFit is the universal multi-tool system for all your garden needs. It's easy to change head and even easier to store. Preparing soil. Whatever you are planning to grow, well-cultivated soil is the deciding factor in gardening success or failure. Working the soil is time well spent. For those stubborn, deep-rooted weeds, this tool cuts deep down to the problem, extracting from the root up. The combination of both a hoe and cultivator in one tool head makes this a great multitasker in the vegetable patch or flower bed. A solid soil rake is ideal for tilling, leveling, and light weeding. The long QuickFit shaft is the standard solution for most QuickFit tool heads. Planting. Whether you are planting seeds, bulbs, plants or shrubs, having the right tool is essential for this delicate operation. The angled cultivator is a highly versatile tool head for preparing a seed bed or tilling the soil. The small handle is purpose-made for attaching the QuickFit nursery tool heads. The weed fork is a no-nonsense tool head for those troublesome weeds, as well as for cultivating and transplanting. For transplanting purposes, there could be no more efficient tool head than the trowel. Spreading mulch. For broader areas, the universal rake is a great choice for spreading large amounts of mulch. Spreading mulch is a key factor in protecting soil against erosion and frosts, fertilizing and suppressing weeds. With its neat size, the rose rake is an ideal tool for spreading mulch among prized flower beds. To remove a Fiskars QuickFit head, just pull the slider towards you and detach the head from the shaft. To connect a head, simply push them together and make sure the lock is in the locked position as indicated on the orange slider. Cultivating can be hard preparation work, but it's essential if you are serious about getting good results. With QuickFit as your companion, you can be assured of a good start and finish to your gardening efforts, and the results speak for themselves. QuickFit is the universal multi-tool system for all your garden needs.
Ugly weeds. They can make a beautiful deck look like a wreck and totally steal your home's curb appeal. You could try pulling them, but that hurts your back and knees. And chemicals, with their harsh fumes, can kill a lot more than just weeds. Hi, I'm Brian Hyder, and this is the revolutionary Weed Snatcher, the ultimate crack and crevice weeding tool. It's all you need to get rid of weeds. Just pull it along and weeds are gone. The Weed Snatcher makes weeding cracks and crevices as easy as sweeping a floor. There's no bending over. The Weed Snatcher has a telescoping and locking arm that adjusts from 3 to 6 feet. And easy roll wheels. You simply roll, pull, and clear in seconds. There are 2 interchangeable heads that you can swap easily with the push of a button. A wider blade for larger cracks and a thinner blade for narrow crevices. The secret is the unique snatch and pull technology. The heavy-duty stainless steel blades hook under the most stubborn weeds, snatch them, and pull them out by the root. It gets weeds deep down in the cracks so they won't come back.
Landscapers and lawn services can cost you $70 or $80 for each visit.
Gardening tools are expensive and can strain your back and knees. Gas-powered weeders are heavy and hard to get started. Harsh chemicals can possibly make you and your lawn sick. Don't let weeds steal your curb appeal.
The Weasel Bulb Planter by Garden Weasel is a helpful tool that makes quick work of bulb planting. The Weasel Bulb Planter is easy to use. Begin by securely gripping the handle, place your foot on the foot plate, and push the planter all the way into the ground. Pull out the planter, which will hold the soil plug. Plant the bulbs. Start another hole and use the ejected soil plugs to cover the bulbs. Visit GardenWeasel.com for more information and retail locations.
The garden cultivator is a versatile tool for turning soil between and around rows. With detachable tines, you can customize the tilling path for your garden space. Save your back and your garden with the Ames line of specialty garden tools.
The Aquar House Hydrant is a revolutionary faucet system that makes access to your water easy and enjoyable. With the Aquar connector attached to your garden hose, simply plug into the hydrant for instant water access. Water automatically turns on as soon as you connect. No more threading on your hose, no more leaks or drips, just water when you need it. When you're done, just untwist and go. Water automatically stops, and the hydrant is protected down to negative 30 degrees. Made from food-grade stainless steel and heavy-duty DuPont Delrin, Aquar hydrants are durable and built to last. We make products that you'll actually enjoy using. With Aquar, you'll save time and water.
Planting bulbs and flowers has never been quicker. This tool is specially designed to dig holes quickly and easily. Simply insert the dirt snatcher into your planting bed soil, squeeze and pull. Now you have a perfect 3-inch diameter hole for planting bulbs or nursery plants, constructed of nickel-coated steel and high-impact plastic.